It's been a great week of racing on Biscayne Bay at the Rolex Miami OCR. 716 competitors from 53 countries with the help of over 200 volunteers have made this an event for the record books. We've seen heroics on and off the water all week.
All right.
Most of these sailors will continue to compete in the International Sailing Federation World Sailing Competition at 6 other venues around the world. Everyone here has the same goal, to eventually earn a berth in the Olympic Games in 2012.
Okay, cool.
I hope you've enjoyed our coverage from the water, from the air, and on board. For U.S. Sailing, I'm Gary Jobson.